assembly. We are going to start our assembly in the usual manner with Louisa and Borhan, who are going to lead us in some 1-minute meditation.
Imagine you have 3 balloons, one here, and one here. When you breathe in, the balloons get bigger. When you breathe out, the balloons get smaller. Let's try this 3 times. The 1-minute meditation has started. The 1-minute meditation has ended.
Thank you. Do you need the microphone?
Ladies and gentlemen,
Welcome to our amazing Newsrun assembly.
today's headlines are going to be about natural disasters.
These are extreme and sudden events that occur. Humans can't stop these things happening.
Examples of natural disasters include earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, hurricanes, etc.
Natural disasters occur all around the world and impact all different kinds of people.
An earthquake is when the ground shakes. A volcanic eruption is when the volcano shoots out lava. A bushfire is a fire in the forest which spreads very quickly.
This year there has been a number of natural disasters, including Storm Daniel in Libya. It happened on September 2023.
An earthquake in Turkey and Syria. It happened on February 2023.
Volcanic eruption happened in Iceland. It started at 18 December and ended at 21st of December 2023.
Now it's over to our anchors, Courtney and Henry.
Good morning and welcome to Faith and Courtney. Today we will be taking your news round, which is going to be about Borhan's ultimate time machine. That's right, as well as being a reigning times-table rockstar king, he has also invented a time machine.
We decided to use this to send our reporters to famous natural disasters. In this news round, you may learn a lot on how to stay safe. There are going to be lots of natural disasters, and there are going to be sad stories of heroic people. First of all, let's head to Pompeii, where our camera person, Harry, filmed the eruption occurring. But first, we should remember to sing our magic song, which will make the time machine work. Everybody please join in.
Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia.
Now we are going back in time to see how Pompeii destroyed by a volcano.
What a beautiful day in Pompeii. Nothing could go wrong.
But something went wrong on that day.
coach left. I better run. Come on, stranger, you better come with me.
Oh dear, a burden. Okay.
I feel so relieved. That was a close one. I'm exhausted.
Here.
What a good story.
Okay.
That was amazingly interesting.
Yeah, it was, but we shall keep moving on.
Next up, we will have an earthquake in Damgan, Iran, where Shaniqua is going to be interviewing royalty.
But first of all, don't forget our magic song.
Yesterday, a devastating event happened. Today, it's the 22nd December at night. 200,000 people died on this earthquake. It was 350 kilometers long. This happened because of the Astana fault system. That's a place where two plates under the earth crash into each other. I am talking to the prince and princess of Daghan to tell us about their tale. This earthquake was horrible.
Hello. Hello, Your Majesties. Today I'll be your interviewer. Let's get started. How did you escape from the terrifying disaster?
We took a coach and escaped
In safety before anything terrible occurred.
The ground rumbled like a year 5 belly just before lunch. Then we heard some voices. We ran like cheetahs and rushed away before anyone could see us.
We also took other people with us to safety. Did anyone know that you escaped alive? Our family is lucky. We are escaped before anything happened. Last question, how did you feel?
We are heartbroken. We have left our city. The earthquake was big enough to destroy 2 whole cities.
Happily you guys escaped in safety. If you want to help by a charity song sung by Mr. Welby in his shower, just $10,000. Thank you for coming.
That was quite touching. Are you okay?
Actually, I'm quite shaken.
Well, our last news story is also quite hot stuff.
So So we will get a move on to the Australian wildfire, which is a short story filmed by a mysterious undercover camera kid. But for the last time, let's sing the magic song.
Whoa, I'm really thirsty. I would sure like some water on this scorching, blistering day.
Me too.
Do you want to feed the kangaroos?
Absolutely.
Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing?
Look at all those dead leaves. They are super flammable. I sure hope they won't be struck by lightning.
But I'm scared I forget this. What did I just hear? Oh, it's a lightning strike in the distance. I certainly hope there will not be more lightning. No, it struck the dead leaves. Wait, this is a bushfire. Run! Oh no, the kangaroos' shelter and food are burning down. What can we probably do about this devastating natural disaster?
This area is affected by this deadly fire. We should escape using the safari jeep.
Everybody get out your water cannons and blast.
No, only firefighters can put out this fire because they are highly trained professionals. Even though they took a long time. Wow, I would love to adopt a cuddly kangaroo. Put your hands up if you want a koala.
No! Over 3 billion animals lost their homes to this deadly bushfire. Your mom and dad will be raging if you try to put them all at the end of your bed.
Never mind. Hope you enjoyed today's news round. See you next time. Bye.
We got one more thing, guys.
To wrap up, we are going to talk about global warming and climate change.
Did you know that the temperature of the planet is increasingly likely to occur because of
But I bet you were wondering what we can do to help them. Well, there are loads of easy stuff like
we should not put our trash into the oceans.
we should stop cutting trees because they produce fresh air for us.
Don't use lots of energy.
Try to drive less.
Finally, you could recycle.
Please save our planet by doing these things. Thank you for listening. We hope you enjoyed our presentation.
Okay, well done to Year 5 Titan Club. You are very funny. You were amazing. You spoke very clearly. You hopped very well. It was amazing. So congratulations on learning your lines, speaking so clearly, and just generally being amazing. Should we give them another round of applause? Okay, right, so Mr. Jolt would really like to celebrate the children from yesterday's house event who did such a fantastic job of learning their dances. In fact, everybody did a really fantastic job of learning dances. I was going around all of the different classrooms at the beginning, the middle and the end, and it was incredible the progress that you made within that one period. But do you remember yesterday that Mr. Joel announced the winners? And so first of all, I think could we please have year 1, 2 and 3 fire? Could you please stand up if you're in year 1, 2 or 3 and you are in Firehouse? Can you stand up? And could you, if you're on this side of the camera, walk round this way, and if you're on this side, walk round this way. Are you ready to move? 1, 2, 3, go. Well done, Elise. Well done, Takis. Excellent. Miss Aggie, will you still need somebody to Miss Mariana, are you going to be at the back again? No, Miss Mariana actually got onto the video on the Wakelet because she was amazing at her dancing. Do you think Miss Mariana and Miss Gabby were amazing at their dancing? Miss Gabby, would you like to go to the back as well? Of course she would. I think she actually would wait to be asked. Excellent. Okay, are we ready? Are you ready to dance? Yeah. Are you excited to dance? Yeah. Are we excited to see them? Yeah. All right.
Shoes on, get up in the morning, come on, real let's rock and roll. Can't get up, get the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing a song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the brown. Big dog, call me on my phone, nice to see how I got my ping pong. This is the day, making baseball, all right, whoa, life's a choice, this bitch chicken like butter. This is going on, I'm into that, I'm good to go.
chicken, Simon.
I think when we're ready, we will hear it because we won't hear anything. Phoenix and Eagles splattered it. There we go. We've got Times Table Rockstars. So, in the battles this week, we had Apollo versus Europa. Apollo smashed it, 357! Oh my goodness, that's a huge score. Well done. Europa was brilliant too at 100, but wow, Apollo. With Phoenix against Kolonko, Phoenix 117! Well done. Kolonko, only 5! But well done to Phoenix, that's an amazing score. What even would have beaten Year 6 Europa? In the battle versus Eagles versus Dali, how close is that? What's the difference between 57 and 56? One! Okay, so only just did Eagles win. So fantastic to Eagles and Dali. In the battle between Prometheus and Carlo, Prometheus got it with 114, but Carlo, that's a pretty good score for you as well at 92. Amazing, very well done. And in the battle between Titan and Bourgeois, I mean, this got really, really competitive. Can you see those scores? Look at that. Both of them got over 600. Oh my goodness. Titan just got there, but wow, 669 points, top of the school, very well done. So excellent, if you played Times Table Rockstars last week, give yourself. Very well done. Okay, special mentions too. In Eagles, where's Minso? Well done, you were top in Eagles. In Phoenix, where's some of you? Yes, you were top in Phoenix. In Dali, where's Cadra? Well done, it's very, very pleased himself, as you should be. In Kolonko, where's Frida? Very well done to Frida. In Carlo, Adam's not here today. In Bourgeois, where's Mark? Not here. He's not here either. Well, they were both top in year 4. In Apollo, where's Shari? Very well done to you. In Titan, where's Warhan? Excellent, top in the school, fantastic. And your class was top in the school as well. You might have had something to do with that, I think. In Europa, where's Yagoda?
Not here.
Not here. In Prometheus, where's Hannah? Excellent, very well done to you. So, fantastic if you were top of your class, but fantastic if you even just played to contribute your class scores. Very well done to all of you. Make sure you listen out for the battles for next week. Okay, this is a reminder, you know all about this already, but this is a reminder that in 2 weeks, in 2 Fridays, we will have Farshtank. Now it's an amazing day, the final day before half term, and there are all kinds of activities. You'll be pleased to know that some of those activities might involve donuts. But also, on the day, we come dressed as something different. We disguise ourselves as something different. And there are prizes. So if you dress as an animal or plant, you may be in the running for the best animal or plant costume. Then you can have the best cooperative costume, so you and somebody else, or maybe a small group of you, all have a themed costume, or a costume that you're all together with. The best handmade costume, so one that you make at home, but one you just buy in the store or online. The best costume made of recycled materials, so something that you might have otherwise put in the dustbin, you actually make into a costume instead. The costume with the funniest ears, I'm really looking forward to seeing how you do this one. The best food or drink costume. Then there's a couple of extra choice ones. There's a teacher's prize, so teachers can get involved. The teachers with the best costume also get the prize. And the house captains are going to choose their favourite costume as well. Okay? So put your hands up if you already know what your costume is going to be. Wow, you've been thinking about this. Put your hands down, put your hands up if you already have your costume. Amazing. Put your hands up if you think you might need some ideas. Excellent. There are some ideas in the newsletter. If you have a look at some ideas in the newsletter, you can see all the costumes there. Okay. Oh, and there are some more ideas here. There's a Minecraft one, a ninja, baby Yoda. Yeah. Okay, can I invite our eco warriors down to the stage? Like Okay, we are going to hand over to the eco warriors who are going to tell us what we did particularly well this week.
Well, they closed their doors.
Excellent. The heat inside. They want energy cost.
They closed the projectors and the computers.
Good, because sometimes the teacher didn't do that, and you need to tell them off. And say you need to save energy and turn off your projector and your computer.
Some of them didn't close the doors.
Some of them didn't close the doors. Oh dear. All right. Anything else that they didn't do so well this week? I think
Turn off the computer.
some of them didn't turn off the computer. We need to tell them off. We need to say, I'm not giving you 0 points for not turning your computer off.
They need to use the paper both sides.
This is the one. If you can't, you should have put it in the recycling bin unless you can use it on both sides. It's being scrap paper. All right. So, Louise, you know the winners, right?
Yes. The winner was Year 4 Bourgeois.
Excellent. So I think Phoenix have it at the moment, so they're going to deliver the plant to it later, the Bourgeois later. Thank you so much. Huh? to do when the house captains do this? Good. I think they got it. Okay, guys, over to you.
This week's Air House sponsor. This week's Firehouse sponsor. Walter's house friends this week are this week's house friends
Okay, I know house plays are exciting, but let's settle down and remember, when I'm reading at the mirror book, we do not talk. It is very special to get your name in the Golden Book. It means you have been doing something amazing this week. And so the rest of us are going to be very respectful while somebody else has their special moment of having their name in the Golden Book. Okay? So no talking. But when you hear your name, you stand up so we can celebrate you. Okay, can everyone in Year 2 Eagles stand up? You are all in the Golden Book because you were following instructions for lining up so well and remembering the 4s. Standing, space, silent, start. Wonderful. Well done, Eagles. Fantastic. In Year 2 Eagles, can I also have Lena, Minso, Elise and Bruno stand up? Ah, 3 of them together. Bruno's not here, but you guys are. You are in the Golden Book for your excellent efforts and enthusiasm during the house event. Fantastic. Very well done for your amazing dancing. We saw you dancing as well this morning. In Year 4 Bourgeois, can Marco stand up, please? Marco, you are in the Golden Book for maintaining focus on yourself and your learning. You are making mature behaviour choices all week. Very well done to you. I can hear some talking. In Year 1 Falcons, can Jay and Phyllis stand up? Ah, you're together as well. Fantastic. You are in the Golden Book for listening very carefully in maths and building up the skills to add money together. Fantastic, that's a treat. In Year 1 Falcons as well, can Rory and Leela please stand up? Oh, you guys are together too, that's helpful. Close to the speaker. For being a brilliant team to design your own imagined fish. Amazing. Fantastic. Well done to you two. Good teamwork. In Year 5 Apollo, can Sherry and Angela please stand up? Well done to you two. You are teaching others a skill on Excel that you discovered. Fantastic. Well done. You are teachers this week. In Year 5 Titan, can Sebastian please stand up? He's got, oh, okay. Well, we'll have to tell him about this for taking on extra responsibility in our class performance at short notice. Fantastic. Well done, Sebastian. In Year 6 Prometheus, Hannah, where's Hannah? Okay. Oh, there she is. Hannah, you are an excellent role model and you give excellent demonstrations during the house event. Well done. You were fantastic. Very well done. In Year 3 Charlie, Kush, please stand up. You are in the Golden Book for letting me know immediately about a lost school item. Well done for asking for help when you need it. Fantastic. In Year 3 Charlie, can Mandy stand up? Mandy, you're in the Golden Book for being super enthusiastic at all times. We really appreciate it. Very well done. In Year 3 Kolodko, can Albert and Joy please stand up? Albert and Joy, you're in the Golden Book for an excellent effort with short multiplication this week and helping others with theirs as well. Fantastic, that's tricky. Great learning. In Year 3 Kolodko, can Yasin stand up? He's not here either. Well, a huge well done to him for all the extra effort with his writing assessment. Apparently, it was excellent work. In Year 3 Kolodko as well, can Boris stand up? Boris, you are in the Golden Book for your excellent work, sentence writing in phonics this week. Well done, excellent. And in Year 3 Dali, can Kai stand up? Kai, you are in the Golden Book for writing some great silly sentences in phonics and always being extra careful with your spelling. Fantastic, very well done to you. Let's give all of our Golden children. Okay, start of the week, if you hear your name, I want you to come down to the stage again. This is a part of assembly we definitely don't talk. Alright, if you are in Year 1 Falcons and your name is Ramina, come on down, Ramina, you are star of the week because you were writing a fantastic story about Luna the dog who went on an adventure from Aldovia. Ooh, we loved to listen to your story. Thank you, you are a superstar. In Year 1 Ravens, can I have read one? Where is he? Oh yeah, come on down. Could you, no, I can just let him, that's it. Take a leap. Well done. Okay, Rewan, you are so kind and helpful to your friends, helping them to tidy their things away or patiently helping them when they're doing their work. You are so caring and we're so proud of how you think of others' feelings. Very well done, Rewan. He's very happy. In Year 2 Eagles, can I have Dorka? Dorka star of the week for being an independent and hard-working learner. She doesn't give up, so important, even when things get a little bit tricky. And that's a fantastic quality to have. Dorka takes charge of her own learning and asks questions when she needs help. Dorka is also star for her amazing piece of art of Van Gogh's sunflowers, which she created this week. It's clear she put a lot of thought and effort into her masterpiece. Very well done. Keep it up. In Year 2 Phoenix, can I have Esther? Oh, come on down, Esther. Esther's worked really hard this week in all of her lessons. She's become more independent and confident. Esther has also been very kind to her classmates and helped them without being asked to do so. Well done. In Year 3 Dali, can I have Reka? Oh no, what she is here! Brilliant! Reka, you have been really positive this week. You've done super well at short multiplication with carrying, and you're also super organised. Fantastic. I love the photos. In Year 3 Kolodko, can I have Sapphik? He's very happy too. Sapphik, you're star of the week for being an all-round superstar. You have been going above and beyond to help others. Keep it up. Fantastic. We've got a few children up here for being really helpful and kind to other people as well. I love it. Okay, in Year 4 Bourgeois, can I please have Alex? Alex, you are star of the week for showing initiative and independence regularly in lessons, for making the most of learning opportunities by engaging with others, starting properly and asking great questions. And this week is the week of the Year 4 Alexes. In Year 4 Carlo, can I have Alex, please? Alex, you are star of the week because you have had a positive and mature attitude to your learning this week. Are we listening? You have had a positive and mature attitude to your learning this week. You have contributed well to group and class discussions. Just keep it up. In Year 5 Apollo, can I have Spencer, please? Spencer, you have been a fantastic leader in our guided reading activity, supporting your team. Well done, another one for being capital time. In Year 5 Titan, can I have Noah? Noah, you are Star of the Week for settling into class so well, including writing an interesting report on a new planet. It's so nice to hear you volunteering your ideas more and more. I look forward to getting to read more of your work in the future. In Year 6 Europa, can I have Lorania, please? Come on down, Lorania. Lorania, you are Star of the Week for being polite and respectful. Well done on a great start at Botanica. In Year 6 Prometheus, can I have Manaspi, please? Manaspi, you are Star of the Week for being a cool, calm and calculated consumer of the curriculum. You are a real asset to the class. Well done. Okay, we're on to the subject stars now. The drama Star of the Week is also someone from Year 6 Prometheus. It's Jenna. Jenna, popular choice, for showing off its creative side by turning the airport scenario game into a comedic masterpiece in drama. Very well done. In the EAL Star of the Week is someone from Year 1 Raven. It's Victoria. Victoria, you are Star of the Week for your amazing progress in reading and in writing. You produced an excellent fact file about your friends this week using your best handwriting, phonics skills, super consistent. You didn't give up. Well done. In the music Star of the Week this week is someone from Year 4 Carlo. It's Minha. Come on down, Minha. You are Star of the Week because you did a great job this week clapping rhythms to different tempos. She also did a great job performing the clapping game, double-double with her partner. Minha, you're always enthusiastic about class. Keep up the great work.
Thank you.
Okay, the PE Star of the Week this week is Flo. Flo, you are representing the middle school boys basketball team this week. Not only were you playing against boys 4 years older than you, you were also a constant thorn in their side and a standout player. Very well done to you. In the Hungarian Star of the Week this week is someone from Year 6 Europa. It's El Farouk. Come on down, Farouk. You are Star of the Week for giving your best effort to stay focused and participate actively in lessons, and also for trying your best to communicate in Hungarian most of the time by using the required vocabulary. Well done, Farouk. Ügyes vagy. Thank you for the help, everyone. And someone from last week, from Year 1 Raven, is Monty. Can you come on down? Monty, you have been an absolute superstar this week. Last week, probably this week too, helping your friends and classmates with kindness, understanding and patience. It has made me so proud to watch the way she cares for others in her words and actions. Well done. Okay, let's give all of our stars a big and Okay, we have a few notices for next week. Are we ready and listening? Well done to Year 2 Phoenix, who are sat absolutely beautifully. Well done, Year 2 Phoenix. Are we good over here? Sarah? Good? Ready? Excellent. Okay, we have